This is water. Water is the most precious thing on earth. Plants, animals, and even human beings needed water to live. Have you ever wondered where the rain comes from? Or how the clouds are formed? Well, this is all about the water cycle. To begin, matter consists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. When we cool a gas, it becomes a liquid, and this process is known as condensation. It is the process by which a gas changes into a liquid due to the reduction of energy of its particle. Condensation occurs when vapor in the air becomes cold, and when the vapor becomes cold, it transforms back into its liquid form. Dew, fog, frost, and mist are examples of condensation. Any liquid or frozen water that develops in the atmosphere and falls back into the earth is referred to as precipitation. Rain, sleet, and snow are just a few examples of precipitation. Together with evaporation and condensation, it is one of the three major components of global water cycle. The transformation of water from a liquid to gas or vapor is known as evaporation. Scientists have demonstrated that water bodies such as ocean, lakes, and river provide nearly 90% of moisture in the atmosphere during the evaporation process. Evaporation is an important aspect of the water cycle since it is aided by the sun's heat. It absorbs water from the earth as well as oceans and lakes. Collection. This is when rain, snow, hail, or sleet falls from the clouds and collects in the ocean, river, lakes, and stream. The sun initiates the cycle by heating and evaporating all of the Earth's water, and all moisture falls back into the Earth due to gravity. In the phase of water cycle that runs over the land as water surface, rather than being absorbed into groundwater or evaporating, is known as runoff. Runoff is water from rain, snowmelt, or irrigation that flows into uncontrolled surface stream, rivers, drains, and sewers. Transpiration is the process by which the water absorbed by the roots of the plants move out of the tiny openings or the stomata of the leaves into the atmosphere. Overall, about 80% of atmospheric water vapor comes from the ocean, and the remaining 40% comes from the plant via transpiration. The outcomes of two processes, evaporation and transpiration, is called evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration consumes a greater portion of precipitation than the other hydrologic cycle activities. The total evaporation and plant transpiration from the Earth's land surface to the atmosphere is referred to as evapotranspiration. Because it accounts for 15% of water vapor in the atmosphere, evapotranspiration is an essential part of the water cycle. Clouds would never form and precipitation would never fall without the water vapor input. Infiltration is the passage of water across the soil surface. Water on the ground surface infiltrates the soil through infiltration. It is widely utilized in the field of hydrology and also in the soil science. The greatest rate of infiltration is described as the infiltration capability. Therefore, hydrologic cycle is critical because it determines how water gets to plants, animals, and humans. Not only it provides water to the people, animals, and plants, but also transports nutrients and sediments in and out of aquatic environments.